Welcome back. North Goa District Committee of the BJP was declared on Thursday. The main aim of the committee is to provide government schemes to all the Goans. The committee will also play an important role in strengthening the party considering Lok Sabha election. 4 vice presidents, 2 general secretaries, 5 secretaries, 1 treasurer and 33 members were declared by Michael Lobo.
Our committee will see that all Goans, all the people from Goa, all the Goans will get benefit of all the schemes, especially Ladli Lakshmi scheme जी चालू झाल्या तितूनय खूबशे लोकांक अजूनय बसून सगळे माहिती ना तेंकाय आमी हेल्प करतले फॉर ऑल द गोवन्स खाली आमचे मेंबर बीजेपी अहे म्हणून तशें काय ना नॉर्थ गोवा टार्गेट हा म्हणजे कितें की प्रत्येक जो 60 इयर्स जाला आनी टोटल जितकी विडो बायल आसा ओ कोणाक सिंगल वुमन आहा तिंका आमी टोटल कवर अप करूंक सोदता ही स्किमीन ही स्कीम नंबर 1 आसा इंडियेक सद्याक नंबर 1 इन इंडिया एंटायर इंडिया इज लुकिंग एट दिस स्कीम आनी जाता तितले लोकांक आमी कवर अप करून टोटल लोकांक जर तर पयशे मेळत ह्या स्किमीचो जाल्यार ते एटलीस्ट एक तेंच्या मनान आसतले की आमी जे गोंया खातीर कितें तरी केलां इतली वर्सां जे तेणी मेहनत केल्या काम केलां आमी टॅक्स जे भरला ते आयज आमकां हे बेनिफीट मेळता
PWD road breaker has been robbed by some miscreants in Vasco. The road breaker is worth 21,000 rupees. It was locked in a storeroom of PWD. However, PWD sources suspect that one of the PWD workers might have committed the act.
This is the PWD storeroom based in Headland, Sada. The storeroom is situated about a water tank. The storeroom of PWD houses all the material, equipments and machines. All other things of PWD were intact in the storeroom. Only the road breaker was missing.
We have made investigation and we have made complaint to police. Then police made a letter to investigate, to give details of that make and what is the cost, actual cost.
तुमचे security बीन आसता काय ना?
The security ना ते आमचे टँकर राउंड अपलो मनीस आसता म्हणून security नाशिल्ले हांगा आनी हांगा रिसंटली जॉइन जाला 2 म्हयने आनी म्हज्या पयलीं ते वॉचमॅन ते काडल्यान ते आमची स्टोर्स ती ऑफिसा सायडीक तीन दवरल्या आतां हांव फुडें ती गव्हर्मेंटाक रिपोर्ट घालून आनी वॉचमॅन मागतलो आनी जाय पडटले अशें खूब आमगे स्टोर आहा आनी अशी चोरी जावपाक शकता फुडें.
The robbery came to light when a PWD worker was asked to get some material from the storeroom. He found that the back door of the storeroom was broken and left open. The compound wall in the premises also had a hole and a barbed wire was passed through.
आमी जेन्ना सामान दिवपा जायना उडले पळय जाल्यार चोरी जाला म्हूण कळ्ळें फाटले दार फोडलेले.
कितें चोरयेक गेला बीन?
ब्रेकर.
आनी कितें कितें सामान आसा थंयसर?
बाकीचे आनी सामान आसा जॉयंट आसा पायप आसा प्लास्टीक जे
पूण केन्ना कळ्ळें तुमकां चोरी जाल्या
म्हणून? 4 तारखेक उगडपाक गेलो तेन्ना कळ्ळें.
The motive behind the robbery is not known. The road breaker is estimated to cost around 21,000. Our reporter Surendra Madkaikar for Prudent.
And now news from sports. Dempo Sports Club's English midfielder Rohan Ricketts is now well settled in the Indian club football circuit. Coming to this part of the world from the heart of English Premier League, Rohan has already faced some frustrating moments in his brand new career stint. In a frank interview with Prudent, Rohan shared his experience about the tiff over his playing position, Indian way of doing things, lack of hunger in youngsters and many more issues.
Rohan was shocked that the club wanted to play him as an out-and-out striker when he was a ball player enjoying the playmaker's role all his career.
He obviously didn't do that, so then I came here and then he tried to use me as an out-and-out striker. I didn't feel comfortable with it. I don't think it worked well for the team. And then there was other people internally within the club who could see that I wasn't a striker. You could just see from the way I played, the way I move, naturally. Yeah. I was a midfield player.
All the factors put in together, is this the most difficult league to adjust to and play?
I think so, because there's the, like I said, there's the difference in the levels on the pitch. So that's something to grasp through. That's not taking anything away from the Indian players, because there are some players here, and I look at them, I said, there's some talented individuals, but I just think that the coaching from the young age has not been instilled into them. So you can see that some of the basics are not there. And then after that, we have off the pitch. That's where there's a big difference. That's where it's difficult for me to adjust.
All these are causes for frustration for anybody.
Yeah, definitely. If I'm being honest, I have thought that. I've thought that numerous days. You know, things are done completely different here.
Rohan feels the youngsters in the club need to have a serious outlook towards their profession and work hard towards improvement.
There's not much hunger sometimes, I feel, from the young players here to improve themselves and do work after training. We see older players, some of the foreign players, some of the senior players, you know, Clifford, Samir, and they'll be doing some extra training with some of the foreign players. We're doing some extra quick feet work. But then you look over there and you see some of the young players just eating their bhaji and this, you know, and like you're thinking, wow, like don't you want to improve, you know?
You can watch the full interview of former Arsenal and Tottenham midfielder Rohan Ricketts in Simply Sport with Neeraj Prabhu on Saturday. Bureau Report, Prudent.
If you have missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter at Prudent Goa or meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/prudentmedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.